Grounding yourself in sensory reality minimizes anxiety by focusing on tangible, immediate experiences. Cultivating self-compassion reduces self-criticism by recognizing your inherent worth and humanity. Embracing vulnerability fosters deeper connections by allowing authentic self-expression. Reframing negative thoughts into positive affirmations cultivates a resilient mindset. Practicing mindfulness enhances presence by anchoring you in the present moment, reducing future anxiety. Establishing healthy boundaries protects your energy and prevents emotional burnout by defining your limits. Learning to forgive yourself and others releases resentment, creating space for healing and growth. Prioritizing self-care replenishes your energy reserves, preventing depletion and promoting well-being. Challenging limiting beliefs expands your potential by unlocking new possibilities and perspectives. Cultivating optimism enhances resilience by fostering hope and a belief in a positive future.